Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to put your SIM card in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So here is my phone S24 Ultra and here is the box, and first I will look inside the box because we need a little pin to remove the SIM tray from this phone. And let's look here, and here is the pin. Now just remove this pin, and now let's look to the bottom of my phone, and here I have the SIM tray. Okay, and this pin you need to put it inside the hole, but be careful because here we have two holes. The first one is for mic and the second one is for SIM tray. Now just put this pin inside the hole, okay, and push it like this, and that's all. Now remove the SIM tray, and let's take a closer look to this SIM tray. Here you can put the SIM 1, and on the other side you can put the SIM 2. And as I see, there is no place to put your memory SD card. Now first I will put the SIM 1, and this is the right position. Just put it here like this. And now on the back, just put the second SIM. This is the right position. And that's all. Okay, now let's put back the SIM tray inside the phone, and this is the right position. Just put it like this and push it, okay? And everything is okay now. So it is very easy to remove the SIM card. Just put back this pin inside the hole, push it, and remove the SIM tray, and you can remove now the SIM cards and put it back. Okay, so this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.